What happened there? That happened? See that right there?
What's going on, everybody? We are here at my house, and man, this room echoes, doesn't it?
Yes.
Good Lord, it echoes. This is my room here. We just totally cleaned out the carpets, gutted it. So we can start filming videos more on a little desk or something, you know, and put some things on the wall, you know. If you guys want to send us a little treat, you know, draw something for us, put it on the wall. We'll love that right there. Put it all up there, you know, we can do little things in here, you know. That was nice. Put some good stuff in here. I was thinking about, you know, with the local paper doing like a drawing contest or something. We can even do a drawing contest on the channel right here. I mean, if you'd like to see us do a drawing contest, let us know. But anyways, see these packages here? We have no clue what's in them. I signed up for some Amazon reviewing thing or something. They sent me some stuff for free or practically free. And I had to pay, you know, 18 cents or something, but I don't know what's in them. I don't know what's in them. I'm supposed to review them when I'm done with them, but, you know, and I don't want to take the time to review them, but we just figured we'd open them up, see what kind of treats we get from Amazon, maybe do something fun with them, because we have no idea what's in them. You have any idea what's in them?
No.
No clue. Alright, now there's one box and one envelope that I did open, but I couldn't see what it was in there because I was expecting another package, and I opened it by accident, so let's see. Let's start out with one I opened. I don't know. See, it's still in this little gadget package right here. It says Pink Leaf Face Crayon Set Pack of 2. What, makeup or something? New by Jupiter Deals. Check them out. Alright. Ready to open her? See what's in there? Open this little dinger.
Sucker.
Come on, we get a hoser.
Got Sky.
There it is. Oh. Alright, right there. Two of them there.
Oh my.
Face paint party. Oh my. Washable. Oh, you got off with something big right here. Just start here. I'll show you here. Let's see. Look at that right there. Here. That's nice. Nice little gadget right there. Well, alright, let's do it. Ready to get your face painted, bud? Oh no.
Well, there's two packs here, we can paint each other.
Alright, we're going to paint each other. Start out with the red. Alright, let's speed this up. Here we go, everybody. Stop wiggling. Stop. Stop. Look at that. Blah. glove.
Not in my mouth.
Stepping in, keep them shut. Broken the rim. I drew arrows pointing into the mouth. What? You getting a little sweat on you? Little drop? Maybe you should stop.
Maybe your skin is too oily for this.
Oh, it's not working.
It's not working. Your skin is too oily.
Let's how about we not try up here then?
Okay.
And it is oily.
Close your mouth, bud.
You can color the teeth, I don't care.
You want me to color your teeth? They gotta be
It's up to
black.
you. It's up
They
to
gotta be black.
This is from China or something.
Don't smile.
I enjoy this. You should add more yellow to it.
No black look good. I think we're good there.
Gotta walk over to my mother like this.
Some words here.
Where you go to the mirror.
Yeah.
Alright, this is my review. I'm gonna see what's on there. Let's see. Oh god, the teeth are terrible. Oh, let's see, hashtag rim. Nice. So we got Brandy Longoria on there. We've been meaning to say. So he told me he'd be putting that on there. Subscribe to our good friend Brandy Longoria. She makes awesome videos, Minecraft, challenges, you know. Nice videos, just awesome stuff, great content.
Yep.
Like her out there, you know, I mean, go check her out, you know, like her videos, subscribe, you know. She's trying to get to a goal of like, what was it?
24 or 32.
24 or 32 by the end of the month. She gets a treat, so go check her out. Link will be in the description. Subscribe to our good bud, Brandy. And thank you for watching, Brandy. Alright, well, I look great. Now here, why don't you sit here so I don't have to move the camera. Alright, here we go, bud. Have a look. Oh, here. Alright, see right up here on the forehead we got hoser written twice because that's what you are. It's a Canadian term for loser. Let's see, we got the little bingo eye. We got a lipstick on you. Big old circle around the mouth with arrows pointing at it. Snot running down, whiskers. That's nice. Alright, are we ready to move on to the next thing?
I'm itchy.
Yeah, but hey, I guess we're gonna do the rest of this. Alright, so let's move on to the rest. We'll be right back. Alright, we're done with that. Moving on to the next thing, alright? You open this?
I don't step on
Get it started for you because I need to keep the package looking nice. You got shit stuff in it and you'll screw it up. Alright, what do we have?
A tree.
Let's shut this off. Got ourselves a compact car charger. We gotta go test this out, don't we? Yeah, we're gonna go test this out right now. Let's go. Alright, we're ready to try out this compact car charger. In the car, oh, of course. Oh, this is a nice treat right here. I mean, for free, heck yeah. You have to go pay a bunch for these at the store. Look, it's got 3 of them on there. So
Whoa.
we can all charge stuff at once. But the question is, how does it work? Plug her in down there. Ooh, look at that blue light. Oh, that's nice. All right, plug this in to the blue one. I get the blue one. It's the best. All right, here we go. And into my phone, moment of truth. Boom. We're at 90%. See how fast it charges. We're going to sit here and see how quick it takes to get to 91%. Just kidding. No, that would be boring. It works! Wow. Okay, let's open more goodies. You want to show off your calendar, don't you?
Yeah, let me show it off.
Okay. Here was his Christmas present. You got a Arcade Frenzy calendar. Delicious 2017, hashtag rim. 27 wall calendar for Blah, that's him. Here, we'll just show you the first month here. Look, we got, there's the Year of the King, Burger King right there. There's King himself, $1.49, 10-piece nuggets, Burger King logo, fries, burger. And that's that guy on the commercial. We love him, Mike Steinmetz. He says, somebody's gonna get fired. We got all these special dates on there, hockey days. There's the Festival of Sleep Day, Bird Day. You know, there's old Martin Luther. There's Arcade Frenzy anniversary on January 18th. Penguin Awareness Day, Squirrel Appreciation Day, the Chinese New Year's, NHL All-Star Game. We wrote it all down for hockey. There's our picture in the background. We just got loads of good stuff for this. You know, there's Checkers next month. You know, going to another one. There's April. We got vintage Burger King on there. Old Burger King stuff. All right, well, he wanted to show that off. Let's go back inside, open some more treats. All right, next item, got this little gadget right here. Ooh, mystery treat. Sounds like pills. All right. Wise Life Premium Turtles 95% curcuminoids. I don't know what that means. Go listen now. Turmeric extract, 95% curcuminoids, 1,000 milligrams, 120 capsules in here. Heck yeah. It supports inflammation response, cognitive function, healthy joints, liver detoxification, and immune response. Heck yeah. Let's try it out. And not even a child lock. Alright. it. You take a bite of a pill. You're supposed to swallow pills. I swallowed mine. You just bite right into it? What it tastes like? What? Any pill, like the ones you're used to, you don't just bite right into it. By the way, mine's stuck about right here. I can feel it. What? You need to go and throw it up. Go. New chair. There we go. Why? Okay, let's not bust open anymore. This has gotten really stupid. Did you see that mist? Here, watch this. God. What? Here we go. It's all over me. Alright, your turn here. Okay, let's get you the box that's opened. Alright. Here you go, grab her out. Oh, what is that? It's a tiny little fruit. Do it. Now my mom's gonna come running back here for a lot exploding. What does it say? What does it say?
It says, just great deals.
Just great.
Just great.
Uniden. New item. Alright, here, open it. What is that?
It is a rechargeable battery.
Oh, look at that. Got a little rechargeable battery for. You know what this goes?
Where does it go?
To the microwave. Okay, we're gonna take this to the microwave, see what it does. Alright, let's go. Try that. Alright, let's go. Put this little sucker in there. Hey, if you'd like to see more microwave videos, let us know in the comments. We can give us some good stuff. We might make those microwave and stuff. We're just really cool like that. Good Lord, we've had some nasty stuff in there because we used to microwave weird stuff in this. So that's not just like our filth. That's microwaving weird things. What have we put in there?
Yeah, chip bag.
All right, there we go.
Well, yeah.
Set that right there. All right, how long should this go in for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, alright. We better go ahead and get back. Alright, we ready?
That's where you want to go. Oh boy.
Try to turn it off here. Alright, well, that's what happens when we microwave a battery. Okay. Alright, let's go back and open some more treats. Well, that was fun. My turn?
Your turn.
Alright, let's see what we got. Oh my. The Milano Zulu. ZuluTech.com. Looks like a 2-year warranty, 2 charging ports. It looks like a power bank.
Could be.
That's nice. It's hefty. Little treat. Well, here, let's open her up. I don't know about destroying this, because that's worth money, you know? Keep that, you know? You know? I know. That's nice. I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that. I want to keep that, don't you? I mean, you know what that does? It charges your phone on the go.
Oh.
Like, you know, you charge that sucker up, you're driving down the road, and you're like, ah. You know, you've had that moment.
So I guess more.
And you can just like, yeah, the shower bit. Alright, so, what was it? Your turn?
Mine.
Oh, this is a heavy one here. Alright, get her open. Get her open for all of it. Okay, I gotta open it. Might be one right here, yeah, sometimes I watch this. Alright. What is that? Ooh, it's got an elephant on it. 1% for the planet. Non-Pareil. Non-Pareil is a proud member of 1% for the planet, a growing global movement of businesses who donate 1% of their annual sales to a network of environment, blah, blah, blah. Warning, keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. I want it. It says you can't. I'm dead. Why did I just put this on my face? I don't even know what it is. What does the back of this say?
Oh, I know what it is.
What?
It's a slingshot. It broke.
It broke. It's broke. Thank you for your purchase of the original non-Pareil Gel Flex toe stretchers.
Toe what?
Toe stretchers.
Toe
You
stretchers.
stick your toe in there to give it a workout.
Goodness.
To download the ebook, enter this link into your internet browser. If anybody wants that, we'll give it to you. Just comment below. We'll give you that link.
No, apparently there's something.
There's something over here. Links. Put on your 3D glasses for that one. Alright, so here, I guess it's my turn. Oh, this is heavy. There's nothing else in there?
That's it.
Positive? You mentioned there wasn't a little tiny gadget?
There was no gadgets.
Super Color! It's a panda. Superior Color 15-pack compatible ink cartridge. These are worth money, aren't they? Ink cartridges? Printers are cheap, but the ink cartridges cost a lot. My God. It's just free for all this. Look at all these. Ink cartridge. Oh. Here, go take that up near the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 ink cartridges to the microwave. Alright, there we go. Look at them all in there. It's 15 cartridges. Alright, how long do we need to do this for?
1 minute.
Let's give her
seconds.
Give her 2.
2.
Alright, here we go. Gotta get back for this one. Didn't do much, did it? Let's see what it looks like. Don't breathe in. You wanna go a little longer?
Try 3 more minutes.
3:33.
Doing much other than a little
whoosh every now and then. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's what happens when you microwave those. Alright, we're back. That smells so bad. Alright, you ready to open the last thing? What could be in there? Pills?
I hope not.
Grand finale. Yeah, it sounds like pills again.
Maybe it's a little toy truck.
Don't get my hopes up. No. You can have it. copper health, muscle support, improved performance, and mobility, recovery, and relief. It's a elbow sleeve. Oh, there's something else in there too. More pills that look like. Here, take that up by the camera. This itch in his face paint. And I'm hoping that little skirmish we just had there, it didn't get all over your clothes. I started trying to bite you, to be honest.
Did it?
Yeah. I don't see any on you. Alright, here, sit down.
I just got medicine all over me.
I know. Alright, let's see what this is. You want to put it on or what?
Yeah, I'll put it on.
Discount coupon 50% off our next purchase. Treating our arthritis with herbs and spices and support sports injuries, how to treat them. Alright. We play sports.
My claw machine is a sport.
Yeah. We play hockey and soccer though, don't we?
We do.
Yeah, put it up.
No, where'd this go? My arm?
Duh. So your elbow actually.
My elbow? I don't know if it fit my elbow. That's all I can get it.
Alright, do you feel more support?
I do.
5 stars. Give it a test. It's nice.
It is nice.
Are you ready for the last thing? Some pills in there. More pills. Got male enhancement pills. It's got a bull on the front. Advanced formula, energy support, helps with stamina, helps give me a drive. New 60 tablets. Dietary supplement, heck yeah. Man, no child lock on these.
Take a few.
Your jaw. Shut the camera, got one. There, put her in. Is that great? Tastes terrible. Alright, we'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Let us know if you want to see more. Remember, send us some treats. Okay, bye.
I discovered a Benjamin on the sidewalk. Who took it? That claw. Guy got his text returned and boy it was a haul. Who took it? That claw. That rapscallion claw. Cause everything goes back to the claw. They're walling it all. They give all they own to the scallywag claw.